Good boy. Good boy. Can you climb? This is a cage. Come on. Come on. Shoulder. Good boy. Hello. Can I pet you? Can you turn around for the camera? Can you? Can you turn around for the camera? Yeah, it isn't scary. Didn't you say this was scary? Just once, okay? Good boy. Good boy. Good. No, Budgie. Come on. Climb the bridge. Climb. He's like, come on. He's kind of happy, huh? Good boy. Good job. Yay, Budgie. Yay, Budgie. Yeah, what are you doing? Oh, sorry. Do you like this birdie? No, no, no. This birdie? Yeah. What are you doing? Cracking your beak? Okay. Oh, where's he going? I got you. Yeah, good birdie. Where's the birdie, Budgie? Where's the birdie? Yeah, see my shoulder, shoulder, Budgie. Come on, you can do it. There you go. Yeah, come on, shoulder, shoulder, Budgie. Come on. Good boy. Shoulder, shoulder. Excellent. Ta-da! Climb the rope. Climb the rope. Yeah, yeah. Climb the rope, Budgie. Climb the rope. Yeah. Climb the rope. Climb the rope. Climb the rope. Come on. This is another climbing structure we made for Budgie. It's got two scary things. It's got a big dog and it's got a big rock monster. Let's see how Budgie gets around these scary guys. Watch out for the monster. Good boy. Come on. Climb the rope, Budgie. Wrong way. Climb the rope. Good boy. Can you turn around?